The online world is powerful. We can do almost anything within the click of a button. It provides us further reach and allows us to connect and build relationships with people from all over the world. Kids use digital media to maintain and reinforce relationships. While this is healthy and social media can help strengthen real-life relationships, it can also form dangerous relationships. Because of this, we must be careful of who we talk to online and how we communicate. People aren't always who they say. We must also be kind and still show respect for others, because even though they are behind a screen, they are still a human being with emotions just like you. Kids naturally have a lot of emotion, and since every aspect of one's life can be publicized, these emotions are oftentimes amplified. This is why we must self-reflect before posting or texting. We must consider who our audience is and what the purpose of our message is. Our effect on the internet world, good or bad, can be massive.